Children, now we are going to continue the short answers. Answers for the exercise questions at the back. Understand? That is in page number, I told you, page number 144 till 146. Already we finished 6 short answers. I gave you answers for the brief questions in the previous classes. Now I am going to give you from 7th answer. Okay, 7th question. If you were an archaeologist, what will you do? If you were an archaeologist, answer. The question you copy down from your book. All the questions are in your book itself. Understand? Because it's taking time, much time to write it on the board. So you copy down the book. Copy the question from your book. Because நீங்க 6th வந்தாச்சு, in 6th standard. Listen. If I were an archaeologist, if I am an I will study the artifacts found in the ground to learn about people were lived in the past. To learn about people lived in the past. Eighth short answer. Name any 2 Indus sites located in the Indian border. Name any 2. The answer 1. Kalimbangan and second one Lothal. And question number 9. In Indus civilization, which features do you like the most? Why? You have to write why. Reason. In Indus civilization, question. Answer. Town planning is a unique feature. First point. unique feature of the Indus civilization. And second point, straight and wide road Can you see the board, children? Down? Okay. Straight and wide road with a good drainage system. Drainage system of the Indus Valley. Is a significant feature. Next, 10th one. What instrument is used nowadays to weigh things? For that, answer. Electronic weighing machine. EL children idu. Electronic weighing machine. Now, Roman letter 7. Answer in following paragraph. That is the paragraph answer, detail answer. Okay, first one. What method is used to explore buried buildings nowadays? First question. For that, you have the answer is in page number 134. You can see the page number 134. I'll show it now. First answer. Page number 134. The map. Above that, you have the pink column. Pink. Color lerka in your book. Take page number 134. In the book, you just take page number 134. You can have the answer at the top. That is 5 points are there. The pink color. Understand? That is first detail answer. From the first point till last. Archaeologists study the physical objects such as bricks from that till remote sensing methods. Till that. Okay. Now, second detailed answer. What is the question? Second one. Why Indus civilization is called Bronze Age civilization? Question. For that, you don't have the answers in your book. Direct answer. You don't have the direct answer in the book. Okay. So, I'll write it on the board now. Understand? Listen carefully. First point. Bronze is an alloy. Then, second point, this period is characterized by the articles made of bronze. This period is characterized by the articles made of bronze. And third point. So, Indus Valley civilization is also known as Bronze Age civilization. So, the Indus civilization is also known as Bronze Age civilization. Okay, then third detailed answer. Indus civilization is called urban civilization. Give reason. For that, the answer is in page number 135. Page number 135. You just turn your page, your book, turn the pages into 135. Yeah. Here in this page number 135, above this picture, urban civilization. Can you see that? Urban civilization. That is, Harappan civilization is said to be the urban civilization because of the following reasons. 5 are there. 5 points are there. You have to mark this. So, from Harappan civilization till the what? Solid agricultural and artisanal base. Till that you have the third detailed answer, paragraph answer. And fourth one is in page number. I'll read out the question now. Can you point out the special features of that drainage system? For that you have, it is in page number 136 and 37. 136 and 137. Here you have the drainage system. Can you see the books? Can you see in the book page number 136? drainage system. Here from this, many of these sites have covered with drains. From this 137 at the top you have allowed only the water to flow into the straight drain till that. 6 points are there, 5 points are there. Okay, you have to write 5 points. Fourth. Then, fifth paragraph answer. It is in page number 137. Next to that, below that, fourth you marked no, fourth detail answer, paragraph answer you marked no. Below that you have the great bath, Mohenjo-daro. So, 4 points are there. From this, the great bath was a large. From that till this point, 4 points. Can you able to see, children? The 4 points. Okay. Here the 4 points. The great bath you have to write. Then, sixth paragraph answer. For sixth one, you have in page number 137 and 38. In page number 137 and 138. Here, trade and transport, the last end. That's this paragraph, the heading. Okay, 137 page number. Trade and transport here. From this point till next page, till this. Okay. Above the dockyard of Lothal, இதுக்கு மேல இருக்கிற points வரைக்கும் you have to write the sixth paragraph answer. Can you able to follow, children? So, Roman letter 7 answer in the following. அது கொடுத்திருக்காங்கல, that is following is a paragraph answer, that is. Okay. So, 6 are there. First one I marked in the what we can say in the textbook itself. Mark பண்ணியாச்சு page number 134 and the second one notes கொடுத்திருக்கேன் miss, இதை அப்படியே காப்பி பண்ணிக்கோங்க. You copy down in your class work. And the third question, fourth question, fifth question and sixth one I marked in the book. I told you the page number, I returned the page numbers also. Okay, you can see from this. So whatever the doubts, you can make a call to me and you can ask the doubts, I can clear you. Okay, everybody, you are having my phone number. So, if you have any doubts, you call me and you can clear the doubts. You can ask the doubts and I can clear you at any time. Okay, children, can you able to follow? So, you have to write in your classwork notebook. So, you come upon this to 6th standard, from 5th standard to 6th standard. So, இப்படி தான் நாங்கள் ஹையர் கிளாஸஸ்லாம் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுப்போம். Understand? For that 10th plus 2 அப்படியெல்லாம் படிக்க உங்களுக்கு ஹையர் கிளாஸஸ்க்கு it will be easy for you to learn. Can you able to follow? So this lesson is over for you and it will come for the next exam. Understand, children? Okay. Are you happy? Okay. We'll see in the next class. I'll take in the next classes we are going to take the term 2 portion. Okay. Can you able to follow? So tell your parents to pay the fees and buy books. Term 2 books வாங்குங்க எல்லாம். Next classல நாங்க term 2ல இருந்து தான் நான் lesson எடுக்க போறேன். Understand, children? So tell your parent to pay the fees and get the term 2 books. In the next class, I'll take you term 2 lessons. Only term 1 lesson till this only. So in the next class, I'll take you term 2 lessons only. I'll start. So tell your parent to get the books. Okay, children. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.